flow of our stock markets, and we recognize that. The most important numbers to focus on are the fundamentals. And the fundamentals of this economy continue to be very strong.
The fundamentals. Always look at the fundamentals. 6:51, Daria Albinger joins us, ABC News correspondent in New York, who focuses on the markets. Good morning, Daria.
Good morning, McGraw. How are you?
So it started on Friday, continued on Monday, which we often see. What sparked this sell-off? Do you have any idea?
You know, it could have been a lot of things. I mean, we had the first day with the new Fed chair. That was one thing. I mean, there were people that were saying it could have been a flash crash, could have been, some of the machines taking over for a while. But what we're hearing from more of the experts than anything else is that this is the market's way of finding its new equilibrium in this new, very aggressive trading world that we're living in right now. I mean, the market is trading still. It is above 24,000. So when we're going to see drops, they're going to be bigger drops than they were at, say, like 10 or 15,000.
Yeah, talk about the bots and or this sort of computer algorithm story, because that's not getting enough attention this time around.
We're not hearing about it as much as we did before because, when it happened a couple of years ago, when we saw that 900-point drop, that was the first time that we had really seen what the effect of computerized trading could be for the markets. We're not hearing about that as much. In fact, and I think that says something about what happened yesterday, that it was just part of a perfect storm, if you will, of a lot of things that just forced the markets down. Now, what we have here is you have algorithmic trading. You have computers that are actually doing the trading for a lot of these big banks, a lot of these big trading firms. That's one reason that so many people lost their jobs on Wall Street during the recession, because a lot of the smaller traders were forced out. But the difference is when you have these machines that are doing the trading as opposed to humans doing the trading, it's purely a numbers game. And there's no emotion, if you will, emotional impact as far as a decision to make on whether you're going to sell and whether you're going to buy. So sometimes you could see something going up very quickly, and sometimes you can see it go down very quickly. So that may have been what happened yesterday. Does that explain it more to you?
Yeah, no, it actually makes a lot of sense, because there was a lot of times some of the things happened yesterday. There was no rhyme or reason, right? I mean, some things you would think are going gangbusters, and they went down for no other reason than they were just going down.
Absolutely. I asked my husband about that last night. My husband worked on Wall Street for a number of years, and that's what he said is, when you've got this much hands off, if you will, in trading, from the old open outcry traders, you're not going to see, in some cases, the intellect, if you will, when it comes to making certain decisions on buy this stock, sell this stock. So sometimes you're going to see these spikes like this, and you're going to see the big drops like that.
Yeah. What are they expecting for today? We're hearing futures are down early.
Well, the good thing is they're only down now about 219 points. They had been down as much as 800. Now, we're going to have to wait and see what happens when you see two big sell-offs back-to-back, especially at the end of the week and at the beginning of the week. History shows us that we generally see it takes a little bit longer for those sell-offs to level off and the markets start to rise again than when we see it in the middle of the week. But of course, anything could happen because the markets now are like they never have been. I mean, we got to remember that even after that huge loss yesterday, we're still trading above 24,000. We weren't there 6 months ago.
Right. Yeah. No, it was a rocket ship up, and what comes up comes down from time to time.
And you know what? There are a lot of people who don't remember the last really big crash. So this is all new for a lot of us.
Daria Albinger, ABC News correspondent. Thanks for checking in, Daria. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
You got it.